Hold on, my flash isn't ready again. Alright, go ahead.
Tina's eating Aussie's food. Aussie didn't share. It's a phone! You're lucky. I get the phone back.
Not so much.
I have to get a phone really
Hey, it doesn't open that from there.
You don't need a phone. Because you guys have your
Open
iPods.
there. It opens from the side, the big long side.
Whoa.
Turn it on.
Wait, I found it.
It says it right on the screen.
It's a Samsung Galaxy Stellar, yeah.
It's a smartphone.
Lucky.
Which means you have data. You have internet.
But we'll be
Apps,
talking about all that.
text messaging and whatever else. Everything.
But we'll be talking about that. All of it. We'll be talking about all of it.
Terrible. What is it?
What is it, bud?
What is it?
Oh, she was reading the Spanish side.
Animal Planet what?
What's it say? That's Spanish. It's Spanish. Turn it over. Read that side.
Extraordinaire.
It's a tent.
Santa must have activated it last
I
night.
did put Safari Land. Oh, 4. You might say
Dinner time.
This is
Did
the
I?
Spanish side. You guys said this was the Spanish side.
What is it? What is it?
One Direction. Pajamas!
Jesus Christ.
No. Yay! Sorry, Mom, I can't wear this.
Yep. I wouldn't buy one without it.
Mom, can I see it?
That has a forward-facing camera too.
So you can tango.
I can tangle you. Symmetric square. That's a lot of rats.
Alright, squish you out. Cool.
It's a coloring book. Mom, Tina's
Oh,
flipping
it's
it.
getting brighter and brighter in here.
It's disgusting.
Okay, go ahead, Bella.
What's she get?
A book.
Ow. Don't get mad.
She's half done by big on it.
It's Monster High.
Oh, it's just a puzzle.
I always know
What'd you
it's
say?
Monster High.
Don't get mad, it's Monster High. Because I don't like that kind of stuff.
No, it's not. It's cool stuff. It's just rats. They're freaky.
Alright, buddy.
Yeah! Another animal world thing.
Cool.
Oh, that smells good.
Alright, B, you're up.
Woo! Look at all the presents that are right there. A Moxie girl! Moxie girl?
Okay, Val. Alright, we're still looking at our phone. Next.
Next.
Don't do that, Bella.
This is hard as rock. I smell it.
Okay, Chloe.
Another one, really?
Bella.
Chloe wrote she wanted a lot of books on her list. Anna listened.
I wrote the cat. Oh, yay! Holy moly.
Santa must have went to the store and got that one last minute.
Can we listen to it?
Go ahead, Squish.
She's right now.
It's Valerie's turn.
I know, but she's looking at her phone.
She's in cell phone.
Is there games on that phone?
There can be.
I think Caleb went to text me because I went to like the Caleb Martin.
How'd you get your phone number?
There's Angry Bird! There's 439-4394.
I think that's
program all your
Kayla
numbers in.
Hartman. You have to program all your numbers in again.
That phone will save all your numbers. If you ever get a new phone, when you get a new phone,
We'll show you how to do all that.
it'll remember all the numbers.
All right, B. What'd you get, Chloe?
You have a Gmail account, right?
Yeah, she does.
Yeah. Oh, can I take this off?
Leave it on for now. It tells you where everything's at.
I know, I already know.
Ready?
Alright, take it off.
Yes. Chloe. Put your box right there for Mommy. Yep. So you got another charger with it, so you can leave one at your mom's, if you think it's not eaten by your cat.
I'm not allowed to show you.
We don't have any more cats.
I'm not showing.
iPhone. He doesn't know about it.
Uh-oh.
He don't like
Come on, Belle.
What is it, Bells?
Bad! I'm not showing.
Okay.
No.
All right.
Mom,
They are?
yes.
Come,
No!
come show Mommy.
I want to see your pattern.
And there's one with no laces. So when I wear fancy dresses.
With your strapless dresses. Let me see. Come show Mommy.
Oh, there's regular ones too.
Yeah, I'll close my eyes.
With a cloth.
Daddy's going to close his eyes so you can show me. I want to see.
He can take a picture!
No, I'm not.
He really won't.
Not even looking.
Mom, can I unwrap?
Hold on. We want to see Bella's bras.
No.
Let me see, for real. Are there a bunch? Let me just take a look quick. Oh, they're nice ones. Good job.